Hi everyone, hi, hi, hi. I hope I'm audible and visible to everyone. So we are streaming. Let's wait for a few viewers and then we'll start discussing about Tezos domains. We'll start in 1 minute. We'll just wait for 1 minute. I hope I'm audible and visible. So alright, so we have a decent amount of viewers. Now we can start discussing about Tezos domains. So we'll be discussing about what is the criteria to claim the airdrop, how you can claim it, what is the limits, how you can claim it, etc. etc. So let me just start by saying that so we'll be first discussing with the flow what is Tezos domains, what does it do, how it is different from other, and then we will discuss about how it is good, how it is better than others, how you can apply, what is the criteria. So for all that, please stick by the stream. All right, so here this is Tezos domains. They are looking for $20,000 in raise, but they have raised, you can see, 38,618,600, which is 193,093.00% more than what they wanted. So that is the mm, sale they wanted to do. But now, as you can see, that the supporters are 14,040. So many supporters have shown their support in favor. So I'll show you clearly how you can do it. I have not did it so that I can show you clearly how to do it. So let's start. So this startup subscription is free. Users can claim project tokens for free. The higher the VIP tier, the more the free airdrops. By this, what it means is, if you are a VIP category, if you are VIP 1, 2, or 3, so depending on your VIP tier, you will be receiving the number of shares. So basically, if you are VIP 1, you will be receiving approximately 30 shares. If you are VIP 2, you will be receiving 60 approximately. I'm saying this is not the exact numbers. If you are VIP 3, you will be receiving 90 shares, and that is how it goes on. So what you have to do is, and other than that, if you are not a VIP user, you are a normal user, you can claim the tokens on the basis of lottery. So whoever registers for the airdrop, the number of total users who have registered who are non VIP, there will be a I hope I'm audible. Okay. Just a second. So I think the camera is okay now. So yeah. So what I was saying is, if you are a VIP user, you will be receiving a certain amount of shares. If you are a VIP 2 user, you will be receiving more than the VIP 1. For example, say VIP 1 receiver, VIP 1 tier user receive 30 shares, VIP 2 will receive 60, VIP 3 will receive 90. This is how it goes. But if you are not a VIP user, how you will be rewarded is, suppose 100 of the users are trying to claim the airdrop. So out of the 100, a lucky draw will be ran, and the lucky draw winners will be receiving the airdrops. So because they we can see that there is 14,040 supporters, but we didn't need we just they just wanted to raise $20,000. So this is how, after all the VIP tiers, after all of them have received their rewards, the remaining will be distributed with the lottery. So this is the case. It will start by tomorrow. You can see that there is 16 hours to claim. This is the button. You have to come here and click on this $0 free to claim button, but make sure you are logged in. I am not logged in as of now. Once I will show you how you can do it, I'll log in and show you. But before that, let's go ahead. I don't have any red packets, Jodhar 09, I'm sorry. So if you want, I'll just log in quickly and show you. Alright, so I have logged in. So here you can see that I am a VIP. I'll show you. So I am a VIP 3 user. Alright. So what will happen here is, see, here it says thank you for participating. You could have seen the button right here which said $0 free to claim button. So if what you have to do is, you have to be logged in. After logging in, you have to be either a VIP user to get a guaranteed reward. If you are not a VIP user, you will receive the reward on the basis of lucky draw. So that's the basic thing you need to understand, because you don't want to be like, I didn't receive because they are biased. No, they are not biased. They are doing it with lottery. If you're not a VIP user, and for being a VIP user, there are certain things you need to do to be a VIP user, or that you can purchase it, I think. You can check that on the Gate platform itself. So let's discuss about what is Tezos domain now. So Tezos domain is an innovative project on Tezos blockchain. So domain, like we have heard about Ethereum domains. So I think this is similar to Ethereum domains. They'll be providing you exclusive domains that can be, some that can hold some value, and they also have their token of TED, Tezos domain. It's a decentralized, open, and adaptable naming system. Primary function of Tezos domain. It's a the and adaptable naming system. Decentralized, open, and adaptable naming system. So if you want a certain name for your website, so it is adaptable for naming. The primary function of Tezos domain is to translate a user-friendly alias into its corresponding Tezos address and vice versa. Alright, this transition is globally consistent, ensuring all users see the same address for all given alias. The TED token is the governance token for this system, allowing the community to participate in decision-making process. By holding TED tokens, you can help shape the future of Tezos domains. So here what they are saying is, they have created a globally consistent platform which is user friendly, which translate the domain to a user friendly alias. So how we can know is, we know that the websites are a certain address. So to go to that address, you cannot remember its binary number. Like you cannot remember the address of 147.103.134, something like that. But all the website, this is the actual address that they have. But how we go is, if I go to gate.io, the gate.io is the domain name, but the domain address is something different. So what they are only doing is they are translating the domains into a user friendly alias, so that you can log into the particular website very easily. That is their use case, and by holding TED tokens you can help shape the future of Tezos domains. The founder of Andrew Polisek, or what, how do you pronounce it, Polik, just a second. Just so you know, the total airdrop amount is $148,000. The VIP users will get 100% of the airdrops, and non-VIP users get airdrop via lucky draw. So I have already told you that, and it will start in 16 hours from now. All right. So this is what I needed to tell you. So the we were talking about the founder. So the founder name is Andrew Polisek. Meet Andrew Polisek. Don't mind if I am pronouncing the name wrong. A pioneer in the blockchain technology space and key player in the Tezos ecosystem. So he is a pioneer of the blockchain technology, and he is a key player in the Tezos ecosystem. It means he is a of utmost, you know, important person for the Tezos ecosystem. This is what it means. Since the inception of Tezos, Andrew has been at the forefront, contributing significantly to its growth. So Andrew has been leading the Tezos domain from the front, like he's being the leader who is leading from the front, contributing significantly to its growth. So he's helped Tezos in growing massively. He is the founder of Happy Tezos, a renowned Tezos baker. His team has developed multiple projects on Tezos, including Tezos domains and Dapetizer. So I don't know what is a Dapetizer. So Tezos domains is what we are discussing now, and they also have. He is also a founder of Happy Tezos, a renowned Tezos baker. So he also have a franchise of Tezos baker. This is the background of the founder. Let's discuss about the requirements for the participation. So the participant should register on Gate.io and log in. So you must be logged in. So if you can see that before we could have found a button here, $0 free to claim button. You will find that if you are eligible for the this for to claim it, which is you need to have $10 in your spot wallet. I'll show you how, where you need to keep a $10 and how you can apply. I'll show it all in the end of the stream. And other than that, after logging in, complete user identity verification. So make sure you are verified user, you have cleared your KYC and identity verification and all those stuff after logging in. If you are registering as new, if you are an old user, if you are a VIP user, you will be receiving the airdrop surely, and if you are not a VIP user, you will be receiving airdrops on the basis of lucky draw. And let me tell you again, the total value of airdrop is $148,000. All right, let's discuss about the risks involved in the startup campaign. So the startup project is still in its initial stage. Factors including the operation and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to a significant risk. So what this means is that the project is in its initial stage. The operation and the technology which is not yet at its peak, it is underlying technology, it can be a major reason for a significant risk. A technical glitch in their system can result in a dump of the token prices. So these are some of the risk warnings. Another risk warning is advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand the and evaluate the inherent and risk of crypto asset investment. So you need to have your own technical and financial knowledge, which is required to evaluate an inherited risk of crypto asset investment. You need to analyze whether it is good for you, whether this startup is a potential profitable it is, or it is not as good as you thought it was, or it is what is the financial uh, face of the token, and how are they managing their funds, etc. You need to analyze all of them by yourself. Third responding is the volatility of the market is high and the price of token might fluctuate drastically due to technical, regulatory, and marketing factors. So here, we all know that crypto market is a volatile market. The price token might fluctuate due to technical, regulatory, or marketing factors. So technical, regulatory means any glitch in the technical system, any glitch in their algorithm can result to a fluctuation in the market. So this is what they mean by this third warning. Users may not be allowed to withdraw all the purchase tokens due to technical issue of the project or gateway. It might be possible that you are not unable to withdraw or sell the tokens because of a technical error either from the token side or from Gate.io. So this is another warning that suppose you are allotted with the fund, allotted with the number of shares, but it might be possible that you are unable to sell them. This is the another problem. So not a problem, but a risk warning. This does not happen very often. So let's. This is the token. I also have this on the thumbnail. In short, we call it as TEB, TED token. So it is the initial free offering. Information for the startup is startup purchase price is $0. So they are not charging you anything for the startup purchase price. The startup supplies is 500,000 TED tokens. Unlock rule is 100% unlock rules. So why is it important to mention that the 100% unlock rule is because there are some startups and there are some airdrops which you receive, but you need to keep it vested for a certain period of time. Suppose they allotted you with 50 shares, so 25 shares will be unlocked now, and 25 you need to keep for 12 months, and then you will be able to sell it. So this is in 100% unlock rule. As soon as you are allotted with it, you can sell it. That is the case. Introduction. Tezos Domains is an innovative project on the Tezos blockchain. It is a decentralized, open, and adaptable naming system. The primary function of Tezos Domains is to translate a user friendly alias into its corresponding Tezos address and vice versa. This translation is globally consistent, ensuring all users to see the same address for given alias. The TED token is the governance token for this system, allowing the community to participate in the decision making process. By holding TED tokens, you can help shape the future of Tezos domains. So I'll explain that again. We have been done with the introduction. So it is an innovative project based on Tezos blockchain. It is a decentralized, open, and adaptable naming function. The primary function of Tezos domain is to translate user-friendly alias, which means that the user-friendly alias, it means they are trying to give a domain which is user-friendly. For example, we have a domain address as 143.124 blah blah blah, but we can reach the server directly by typing the domain name, which is gate.io. Similar to that concept, user friendly. I'm describing user friendly. I'm not saying they are doing the same thing. The translation is globally consistent, and for purchasing Tezos domains or anything, something like that, or anything on their website, you need to have TED tokens because they are governed by TED tokens. It is their own token, so it is all right. And by holding TED tokens, you can help shape the future of Tezos domains. So let's discuss about the highlight and visions. Tezos Domains is a decentralized naming system on Tezos blockchain. Offers a unique blend of technology and user friendliness. It translates aliases into Tezos addresses and vice versa, ensuring global consistency. The TED token enhances this system by enabling community participation in governance. TED token holders can vote on key decisions and earn interest for fostering truly democratic and rewarding ecosystem. Experience the future of domain naming with Tezos domains and TED. So Tezos domains is a decentralized naming system. We already know that on Tezos blockchain. We know that offers a unique. I don't have any red packets. Sorry. Offers a unique blend of technology and user friendliness. All right. It translates aliases into Tezos address and vice versa. So ensuring global consistency, the TED token enhances the system by enabling community participation in governance. So community participation is also a key factor for them. Is the governing can be decided with the community. If there is 100 people in the community, like they are holding TED tokens and etc etc, they are involved with the TED Tezos domains in some of the ways. So they are a part of the ecosystem community. So this is how they are enabling community participation in governance. TED token holders can vote on key decision and earn interest, fostering a truly democratic and rewarding system. So if you are a TED token holder, so you can vote on their decision. Like your vote will be of importance. You can vote on any changes, or also you will be receiving the interest. And so this is democratic. So the people will be listened, and also the rewarding system based on the interest. You will be receiving rewards and experiencing the future of domain naming with Tezos domain. All right. Andrew Pollack is the founder CEO. Meet Andrew Pollack, a pioneer in the blockchain technology space and key player in the Tezos ecosystem since the inception of Tezos. Andrew has been at the forefront, contributing significantly to its growth. He is the founder of Happy Tezos, a renowned Tezos baker. His team has developed multiple projects on Tezos, including Tezos Domain and Appetizer. This initiative reflects Andrew's commitment to the innovation and his vision for decentralized future. His leadership continues to drive the Tezos community forward. So he is one of the pioneer of the blockchain technology. He is also a key player in the Tezos ecosystem. So since the start of Tezos, he has been in the forefront as a leader and leading the Tezos to a very good manner, so that it has significantly contributed to the growth of the Tezos domain. He is also the founder of Tezos Baker. His team has developed multiple projects such as Tezos Domains and Appetizer. So these are some of the this are the details which reflects his commitment towards the innovation and vision of the decentralized future. All right, so let's discuss about the token allocation. So total airdrop is worth 7.5%. Core contributors is 20%. DAO community treasury 29.5%. Liquidity 15%. Staking rewards 15%. Launchpad 11%. Investors 2%. So you can see that 25% unlocked at TGE and the remaining tokens are locked for 3 months. So this is another airdrop where 25% will be locked. So 25% of 7.5% will be locked, and the remaining tokens are locked for 3 months. Those who receive the airdrop. Core contribute. This is not about the startup. This is for another airdrop which will be given by them. I don't know how. Core contributors 20%, 6 month lockup, and the unlock period is 36 months. So for 6 months it will be locked completely, and in unlock period is 36 months. In each month, some numbers of pairs will be tokens would be released. If you have any questions until now, you can comment. I am looking at the comments. I'll be answering the questions in the flow only. So if you have any, you can comment down. I'll try to answer. So I think there is no question. Let's continue. So the core contributors has 6 months lockup and the unlock period is 36 months, which means the total amount will be locked for 6 months and then on monthly basis a certain amount will be released. DAO community treasure 29.5%, 10% unlocked at PGE, and the remaining tokens are unlocked for 51 months. Similarly, 10% will be released at PGE and the remaining tokens are unlocked. So 10% will be unlocked exactly at the release and the remaining tokens will be unlocked for 51 months. So for 51 months, uh, limited amounts of tokens will be released and liquidity is 15%, 100% unlocked. Obviously, liquidity will be unlocked. Staking rewards 15%, 5% unlocked at TG, and the remaining tokens are unlocked for 57 months. Launchpad 11%, 25% unlocked at TG, and the remaining tokens are unlocked for 3 months. Investor 2 month lockup, and the unlock period is 36 months. Let's discuss about the token economics. So the TED token serves as a governance tool with the Tezos domains ecosystem, allowing token holders to participate in key decision making process. Economically, Tezos domains generates revenue through the sale of domains. This model ensures the project sustainability while fostering a democratic and participatory environment. We will enable the governance pool that will allow earning rewards for holding governance and voting power. Alright, so the economics says that serves as a governance tool within the Tezos domains ecosystem, allowing token holders to participate in key decision process. So if you are a token holder, so you will be participating in key decision making process if there are any changes they need to make or any updates they need to bring. So key you will be holding a vote. You can vote, so they are working with democratic and reward based system. Tezos domain generates revenue through the sale of domains. This model ensures the project sustainability. So the sale of domains, as I said, they will be selling domains. They are generating the revenues through sales of domain. Project sustainability while fostering a democratic and participatory environment. So democratic, you can vote. So this is how you are democratic, and participatory, you will be participating in the decision making process. Will enable the governance pool that will allow earning rewards for holding governance voting power. Right. So let's see the technical overview. The TED token, the TED token integral to Tezos Domains project is built using the Tezos FA2 token standard. This standard ensures interoperability and flexibility, making TED a robust and versatile token with Tezos ecosystem. So the TED token is the integral to Tezos domain project is built using Tezos FA2 token standard. This standard ensures interoperability and flexibility, is a robust and versatile token within the Tezos ecosystem. So this is all about the technical review. Let's go to their own website and see. So see, this is how they are converting the alias name to a user-friendly name. So if this is the domain TZ1VBLPUDKMOJUHRLZ, something like blah blah blah. So they are converting the name into this sort of domains. Now if you log into this website, Alice.test does not exist actually, but there is this example they have given. So this is how they are translating into a user friendly, which they have written in the introduction. So the primary function of is to translate to a user friendly alias into its corresponding Tezos address. So this is the translation into a user friendly alias. So let's see what are their key important things which they have kept on their website. So easy to share. Forget copying and pasting long address. Share your .tez name instead. So instead of copying this and sending to someone, you can just communicate like it is alice.tez. Make transaction a breeze. Just enter the recipient's .tez name. No more stress about sending to wrong address. So if your name is Charlie and my name is John, I want to send $100 to Charlie. So I can just type the charlie.tz. So their address, this is not a type of address you need to send your money to. So the address, the wallet address which you have, you can convert it to a name like alice.test. It is their primary function. Have other people's wallet display your name and when you send them money and vice versa. So whenever you send money, you'll see whom you are sending your money. So this fixes the gap of sending money to wrong address and wrong person. Decentralized and under your control. So Tezos names and FA2 compliant NFTs which you can own and control just like cryptocurrency. Your names are stored securely in your wallet and only you can manage and move them. Tezos names are FA2 compliant NFTs which you can own and control by yourself. Just like cryptocurrency, your names are stored securely in your wallet and only you can manage and move them. So your names will not be uh, leaked or something. So it is decentralized but under your control. Open source and cryptographically secure. Domain names are stored on Tezos blockchain. Audited open source smart contracts ensure that sending funds to a Tezos domain name is as secure as sending to a regular address. So it is very similar to sending to an address. It is as secured as are sending to a normal address. But here you don't need to copy paste the entire big, which makes no sense. You can directly type the name.tz. Alright. By registering a domain like alice.tz, you get control of your own personal namespace. Use it to associate address, share your avatar, publish contact information, and more. So here are some another features. Create unlimited subdomains under your Tezos name. So if you like, this is how a normal works. So if I have gate.io, but if they have some blogs to post, so they have another website as blog.gate.io. So it is a subdomain, it comes under the subdomain. So this is how unlimited they are providing unlimited subdomains. Create unlimited subdomain under your Tezos name, something like just think that alice.tz is your domain. So you can create something.alice.tz and even lend them to other people. So you can give that part of suppose you need to, you can even lend them and earn money from that also. You can give this subdomain and charge them on monthly basis, $5, $2, $10 depending on you. That is, they are providing unlimited subdomains. Public profile, attach public visible profile information to your Tezos name like your website URL, a physical address, or links to your social media profile. So with your Tezos domains, you can make a public profile where you can give your website URL, social media, and other details as well. Decentralized website, get ready for 3.0. Use Tezos name you own to point to a decentralized website for the future of the future. So it is decentralized. It is based on Web 3.0. So these are two another advantage. So these are the support it has from other ecosystem. Tezos domains are supported by major wallets and other projects. So here are some of the projects and wallets which supports Tezos. Here you can see Temple, AirGap, Kukai, Spire, Ledger, Galleon, T3 Stats, Tecuto, Tez Block, Beacon, Baking Bed, and TZKT. So these are the other domains, other wallets and projects which are in support for Tezos. Alright, so there are some FAQs here. What are Tezos domains? Tezos domains is a distributed, open, and extensible naming system using Tezos blockchain. The main function is to translate. We already heard about that. So how much does the Tezos domain cost? So it cost one. It is a T3 token. I don't know what it's worth. It is T3 stats. Just a second. TZ stats. What is the value of the token? 0.6449. This is the value, approximately 0.6. So here we can see monthly is yearly is 5 letter domains cost one T3 token per year. 4 letter domains cost 25 domains, 25 T3 per year, and 3 letter domains cost 100 T3 per year. So the larger your domain name is, the lesser you need to pay. Suppose you need to own xyz.tz, so it is 100 T3 tokens. But if you have like xyzab.tz, you need to pay 1 T3 token per year. Auctions may drive the prices of popular domains. So obviously, if there are more buyers who need to buy a certain domain, so there might be an auction, and there might, you can see the price fluctuation into a higher prices. And why auctions? To ensure fairness. So it is not about who buys the domain first. To ensure fairness when distributing domains, when we launch and we do and when domains expire without auctions, people could spam the network with automatic registration requests and gain an unfair advantage. We all know we are in the era of bots and AI and everything else. So AI can make things easier for some people. So just to be fair, if there are more demand of a certain domain, it will be held within the auctions. What kinds of name can be registered? Domains that are 3 characters or longer, not including the top level domain, can be registered. We are currently allowing names and Latin characters, numbers, and hyphens. International Unicode names are a strong possibility in the future. So you can use Latin characters, numbers, and hyphens in your domain if you want. And how you can make an avatar? After signing into Gravatar, click on view rating. You can read this if you want. So the number of domains that have been registered already. So 151,553 domains are already registered with Tezos, and they have already conducted 7,226 auctions, and highest auction bid for a particular domain has been 3,500 T3 tokens. All right. So this was all about the Tezos, and we have discussed about their uh, key features and etc. Let's just start with, I'll just show you their developers and then I'll show you how you can do it. So this is the documentation where they have given their method. Usually what they do is they fill a gap and then they show you how they did it, what the mathematic equation, etc., etc., what they use. So if you want more of the description about how they did it and etc., you can come here, go to the domain, check about options and etc. So typical bit sequence is 1, 1.1, 1.2, 3, 4, 1.9, 2.1. So this is about how you can create, how you can participate in auction. See, say someone bids 1, other can bid 1.1. So this is how the auction, the usual auction, how it takes place. Alright, now I'll show you how you can grab. So first of all, you need to go to, suppose this is the page you have to land on the Gate.io platform. I'll show you on Mac screen and then I'll show you on phone screen so that you are clear with both of them. So you'll be landing on this page if you log in. What you need to do is you need to go to trade. Under the trade section, you can see startup right here. And when you click on startup, you will go to the startup page of Gate.io. I clicked something wrong. Just a second. Let me go back. Go to trade and click on startup. Now you will land on Gate.io/startup page. Here you can see the uh, startups which are in progress or which have ended or which are upcoming. So here you can see Tezos domain. You need to come here and click on Tezos domain. I will show you something now. Log out. So when you make sure you are logged in, make sure you come here logged in. I need to show you something, that's why I have logged out. So when you go to the Tezos domain, here you will see this $0 free to claim button right here. You need to be logged in for that. I'm just showing you. So make sure you have $10 in your spot wallet, and if you are a VIP member, you will receive airdrop for sure. And if you are a non-VIP user, you will receive airdrop on the basis of lottery. So this is the case. The higher the VIP tier, the more the airdrop you receive. You need to keep at least $10 worth asset in your spot wallet. I'll show you what is a spot wallet, how you can keep it, how you can add funds. If you want, comment down if you need any help with this, how you can apply. If you have any doubts on any sector, you can comment. I'll try to answer. It also says holding more than $10 in your spot wallet, $0 free. You need to click here. So there is 15 hours left. You need to click here within 50 hours. With you need to be logged in. You have to be your you if you are a new user, you need to register and you have to complete your KYC and identity verification, and then you need to have at least $10 in your spot wallet, and then you can come to this page and click on the $0 free to claim button. So this is how you can do it on a laptop screen. Now let me just log in and show you how you can where you should keep the $10 minimum fund. Let me just log in. Alright, so see, I have clicked on the $0 free to claim button. So here it says, thank you for participating. I am a VIP 3 user. I'll be receiving 90 shares. Alright, so if depending on your VIP tiers, you will be receiving the number of shares. If you are a non-VIP user, after the lottery, you will be receiving your number of shares. So now I'll show you where you need to keep at least the certain amount. So if you are on the home page, here you can see the wallet. Go to wallet, click on classic account and click on spot wallet. So here you can see the total spot assets in the spot wallet is $18, and our criteria was that we need at least $10. So here you need at least $10 so that you can be eligible for the airdrop. This is one of the criteria you need to fulfill other than being registered and To get a short shot airdrop, you need to be a VIP user. So this is about one of the criteria. Other than that, you need to register and complete your identity verification, etc. So this spot assets right here, which you can see, this should be more than $10, so that you are eligible, and then you will see the $0 free to claim button on the startup page. All right, let me just go to the phone screen and show you. Just a second, guys. On the phone screen, I'll show you how you can claim the airdrop from the phone screen if you are using a phone. So, all right, let me just go. Yeah. So we'll go to the main app on the home page. So here you can see the startup button right here. You need to click on the startup button. Then you have to scroll down. Screen definition optimizing. Okay, let's just wait. It will go in a second, most likely. Yeah. So you need to click on the startup button. Then you need to scroll down to go to your desired startup. Here you can see Tezos domains. Total support is this one. So the total airdrop supply is $148,000. And near this thank you for participating button, you will see here $0 free to claim button. You need to come here and click on $0 free to claim button within 15 hours, so that you can claim it. The criteria is you need to have $10 in your spot wallet. You need to be a verified user. You need to be logged in. These are the three cases. Now let me show you how, which is what is the spot wallet where you need to keep at least $10 to be eligible. When you go to the home page, you can see a wallet on the bottom right corner here. Go to the wallet. Here you can see total asset value as 18.66. This needs to be more than $10 for you to be eligible for the airdrop. How you can add is, if you don't have any as of now, you can click on deposit. Either you can transfer from Gate from someone you know, or anything, or you can directly click on on-chain deposit, so that you can transfer from other wallets if you have in any other wallet. For suppose I need to take USDT from some network, let's say BEP20. So this is the address. You need to copy this address, go to your other wallet, send $US from BEP20 network, and send this to this address, so that you have at least $10 and you are eligible. I'll just show you again. This is the startup you can find here. Click on the startup, scroll down to the desired startup, click on Tezos domains. Here you can see I have already claimed my $0 free to claim button. I have already clicked it, so it says thank you for participating, and I'll be receiving 90 shares because I'm a VIP3 user. But so let me just be clear that if you are not a VIP user, you will be receiving airdrop on the basis of lottery. But if you are a VIP user, you will be receiving on the basis of a certain allocation. VIP1 will receive 30, VIP2 will receive 60, something like that. So that is about TED. I'll just end the stream. If you have any questions, you can ask me, or else I'll end the stream now. Thank you guys. If you don't have any questions, I'll close the stream now. So since you guys don't have any doubts, I'll close the stream. That was about Tezos domain. Make sure to subscribe it within 15 hours. We just have 15 hours left for the subscription. All right.